We've forgotten how to listen. We listen with the intent of responding, not with the intent of understanding. Stephen Covey said that. If we're listening, we're in the position to make a suggestion. Listen, here's something I'll bet you haven't thought of because of what you've just said to me, because I've been listening to you. And then finally, the most courageous thing anybody can ever do as a salesperson, and is also the hardest, is the ask. People hate to ask because we're afraid we might hear what? So what? It ain't personal. Rejection is a myth. Pure rejection is personal. If you're going into your organizations and you're saying, here's why we have to do this, and they say no, it's because of fear. It's because of siloing. It's because, you know what? I don't get it yet. So we need to change the conversation. The most important part of any customer interaction, which is why transparency and knowledge matters, the most important part of any sales call, of any interaction, is the end. You know why? Because at that point, both parties are evaluating what just happened. You won't remember what I said. You probably don't remember what I said 5 minutes ago. I mean, I'm hoping maybe 5 minutes. You don't remember what I said 45 minutes ago when I started. You will remember where I end, because I will tell you straight up right now, it's the most important part of this presentation. So I'm going to get to it. Knowledge powers how we show up. Transparency across the team enables this. Todd's truth number 2. It's not your customer's job to remember you. It's your job to be memorable. The only way you're going to be memorable is if you show up knowledgeable. Transparency is not negotiable. It just isn't. It's your competitive edge. Todd's truth number 3. Without sales, there is no company. False. Anybody, any Office fans in here? Bears beat, okay, never mind. The reality is, without the company, there are no sales. That's the essence of a transparent, CRM, ERP-driven sales culture. They work perfectly together. So who had the most accurate and prophetic definition of sales ever? It wasn't any quote-unquote sales guru. It certainly wasn't me. The most prophetic definition and accurate definition of sales is this. It was by Maya Angelou, the great American poet and author. I've learned that people will forget what you said, will forget what you did, but they'll never forget how you made them feel. This is not, you've all heard this before. Apply it in the context of the fact that every interaction is a selling moment, because it matters. You know why a customer feels good about doing business with you? Because you have your game on, meaning you know what makes them roll. You know what makes them tick. We have to change the conversation.